How's it going, guys? Friday, 12th of April, 2019. We're here at our site. There's a new house that's being built for our mates, Benchmark Builders. Okay, and it's a vacant site. It's a split site. The property was split off that house there, and we'll be in there shortly. But we'll go through it. We're going to take you through it. I'm going to teach my son how to do steel posts, how to put freestanders in, and at the same time show you how I'm teaching him so you guys can learn it too. Okay, it's not hard, just takes a little bit of practice, but it's all done. The site's been cut, prepared, we've already got the holes drilled. I'm locked out at the moment waiting for the builder to get here. So but that's what it looks like. Vacant site, ready to go. We've got all the profiles up. Builder set most of those, I set the lower ones, so we had them ready for, got them ready for the stumps. Put the string lines on, and yeah, ready to go. So we'll be doing that next week. We come up to Easter, we'll have those in. Just waiting for the steel to arrive at home, and we can then cut them all up. Stumps in the far corner are only 400 high, so just over a foot out of the ground. And the ones here on this lower section that go up to the house, they're nearly 8 feet high. 2400. So yeah, it'll be nice once it's in. So after Easter, Anthony can put the floor in and start building. All be good. Alrighty, that's where we're at. Our cement's here, our gravel's here. We got it in bags so we can cart it up. Anthony's got a machine that'll cart it up the back, so we can work from the back to the front. And that's all our gravel. That's all recycled blend. So we're recycling as well. We're very conscious. Recycle conscious. Recycled blend. I'll show you. So now we go to that bag, it's easier. We use 10mm blend. It's recycled concrete. Okay. The advantage of recycled concrete, it's got more lime in it, so it becomes very strong. It's much stronger than just normal sand because of the amount of lime. Lime is what cement's made from. Okay, so you end up with twice as much lime in it, so it becomes very, very strong concrete. Very sticky, and works really, really well for the purpose we're doing it for doing post holes. Makes good concrete too. It's a bit sticky though. It's a bit harder to trowel off, but yeah, and it dries quick because of the amount of lime in it. But yeah, very, very good, very strong. And that's where we're at. We will come back to you soon with some more. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for viewing. Don't forget to hit that little subscribe button and the like. Be very much appreciated as we try and make this channel work again. Okay, like everybody else out there, Google is making a fortune because they stopped funding everybody. They're making a killing on everybody who's putting videos up on YouTube. Okay, so we will talk later. Thanks guys, catch you soon, bye.